Good morning to everyone. Now in this video we will discuss about that how can we create consolidation in our Excel sheet and in OpenOffice, because earlier we have already studied it in our MS Office, but now today we will going to learn about that how can we consolidate the data into our Excel sheets using consolidation in an open sheet. Firstly, in the Open Office, we will open our Open Office LC worksheet. Now you will make the data. Here you will make the data. Suppose I am taking the car names. Car. Here I am taking car. And in January, February, and March, I'm just taking the data of the 3 months. That how many of the cars has been sold out. Suppose Audi, BMW, and you can take a suppose in the January month, so the data are sale is 12,500, 10,000, 13,000. BMW is 2,500, February 5,800, 9,800, and the suite is that is the sale of the car during the January month is 21,000, 18,000, 16,000. Now I am creating this sheet as a name for the session 2003. Now in the section of 2004, we have to create the same sheet in the same format. We are going to take this sheet in this format here. So I am going to change the data here again. Okay, now similarly you are creating a new sheet here. Now in this current in this sheet again I am just taking the 3-year data. It's for the 2005, and now again I am going to copy it and paste. Now suppose here the data is 1200. Similarly, you are adding the data. Now I have created the 3 sheets of the selling of the cars in the 2003 in the month of the January, February, March. This is the data. What is the number of the cars what is being sold. Now 2004, 2005. So you want to add all of these 3 data into a new sheet or in any other area. Because I want to add this data for this. So I want to add this data here. You have to put the cursor at the place where you want to consolidate the data. So I want to consolidate the data here. Or if you want to consolidate the data into a new sheet, for your reference, I am just going to take it at the place here. Now you have to consolidate the data. In this case, you will just move to the data. Then you will move to consolidate. Now the consolidate dialog box will open. In this case, firstly you have to take the range. Suppose I want to take the range, this one. Then you will add it. It will show you that the OPS sheet 2003, the column number from A to B4, we are taking the data ranges. Now again you want to add the more sheets. If you want to add the more sheets, then you will move to the 2004. Then you will take this one. Again you will add it. Again I am going to add the third sheet. This one. Now you have to add data. Now all the three sheets data ranges is being added in this box, consolidation ranges. Now what type of function you want to apply on of this data, then you will take the sum. If you want to take sum, count, average, maximum, minimum. So I want to sum how many cars has been sold out during the 3 years in the month of January, February, and March. In that case, I will just apply the I will take the function sum and then press OK. Now it will show you the data, the sum of these three ones. But in this case, the label will not be there. If you want to add this data into the form of the label, then you have to just create the label here like this. I'm just going to copy it and pasting, and you have to delete this data. Then now you will put the cursor here in place of this one. I'm just going to delete it. Again, you will just select the margin here. Then again go to the data, then consolidate. Now you will apply this addition sum here. So okay. Okay, actually the location is being set by me, so it is showing you the data at the same place. I'm going to again delete it. In this case, you will go to the consolidate. Here you have mentioned that the way you have to show the data results to at this place. That's why it is showing me there. So I'm going to change the cell address, or you will change it from here. Here. Yeah, I'm just putting the cursor here, and then this one. Now here you can see the address is being changed. Then press OK. Now you can see the data. The sum is there. It is the sum of all the sheets, all the data mentioned on each of the sheets. Okay, that is the consolidation of data. That means if we want to get the summary, or want to sum, want to count, maximum, minimum, whatever the function you want to apply, then you can take it from your consolidation dialog box, and then you can save it. You can get the data on the sheet. Thank you and have a nice day. I am requesting you to please subscribe my channel to get more and more videos. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.